Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 121, logical reasoning, section A, easy. Let's start. You read this full question, I'll give you the short gist. These letters are given and the symbols and numbers are given. So we have to write the symbols and numbers in place of the letters. Now the conditions are first letter is consonant, last letter is vowel, then their codes are to be interchanged. First and last letters are vowels, then both are to be coded as H, and then here it's not written, but the code of H is to be written then. If both first and last letters are consonants, then both are to be coded as a code of the last letter. Last letter means this H, hash it will be. Now in our the given alphabets over here are E, D, K, F, M, U. Okay. So we have to write the characters of this. So E and U are what? Vowels. So this will be second. So they are to be coded as H. So E comma U equals to H. But what is the code of H? Hash. So check where is the hash. Means at the beginning also, at the end also. So it's only over here. So this is the answer. You need not even go for the inner words and alphabets, because there is only one answer with hash on both the sides. If there are two or more with hash on both the sides, then you go for checking the internal letters and alphabets. Which of the following would be the proper order of in descending order? Means trillion, thousand, billion, 100 million. In descending we have to write it. This is American system. It's very simple. 1000, 3 zeros, 1000, 6 zeros, million, 9 zeros, billion, 12 zeros, trillion. So we have to write it in descending. So the biggest one earlier. So the sequence would be 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. If multiply denotes minus, plus denotes divide, minus denotes plus, and divide denotes multiply, then what is the value of 136 plus 4 plus divided by 5 minus 68 into 75. So here plus denotes divide. So write them accordingly what are the actual signs are. So actually it is. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.